Okay, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are in Roermond and we found a challenge, and today is the day that we are going to do this challenge, because this challenge is on my list for quite some time now. You have this rail, and you have this pole, and you have this drop, and you have this Daniel who's going to help and train with me today. So yeah, let's see if this jump is possible. Okay, it's time to do the first preps. Just measuring out how far the jump is. How much is it? 8.5 for Daniel. So for me, the rail is there, so it should be like here. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost 9. So yeah, let's do the preps first. Okay, first prep on the floor. If this goes well, we go to the top. Feels good. Another one. Sounds good. So yeah, the only thing is the height. Just scary, not impossible, so yeah, let's go. Het is, voor mij is het 9 voet. Ja, dat ik 8. Wat telt me? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dat kan niet ver, jongen. Het liefst nog zo'n beetje. Ja, dat heb ik. Nee! Nope! Maybe the Kong would be a possibility, but not for me. Maybe someone like Joey or Sibe could do this. So yeah, if you see this video, boys, come down to Roermond, do this challenge. I will do the jump, you will do the Kong. Banging! What are we doing? What are we doing? Descents. We're trying to do some descents, but it's slightly raining, so yeah, let's see. Okay, so unfortunately, we tried the descent, but it isn't the perfect one for my first proper descent. Did a descent earlier this year in Lisbon. But this was kind of different, because this is on the outside of a building and you need to drop down. The one in Lisbon was from left to right, from left to right. So yeah, if you look at this one, you have these beams, and if you land on them, you need to go around them, and I'm too small to do it proper. So yeah, we need to find a different one to properly practice this, because if I don't practice this and I fall, I will die. So we don't do this. Nice. Is dat snel? Ja, dat is het snel. Sick. You got this. Let's go. Do a prep. Do a prep. Just Kong and they'll land there. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm just here editing the behind the scenes of the polecat here in Roermond. Thank you so much for all the support on this video. It got like 1 million views and it gave me 30k followers in about 2 weeks. So yeah, quite stoked about that. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. Keep jumping. See you next Friday.